Okay, so to turn on your light wand, when you get it in the mail, it comes with a wand, a charger, some goggles for your clients, and a manual. And to turn on your wand, you hit on, let it fire up, click mode. If you want sonic on, it will flash the mode it's on. To turn it up, you press shift. Ion, whether you want positive or negative, you can shift it up. Massage is just on or off. Photon is the light, so first is red, then blue, then green, and then mode again, and you can toggle the time. So 2 minutes is where we usually like to set it. It can go all the way up to 19 or 20 minutes if you want to be really long. So 2 minutes, and then to turn it like on, CFM. And then it'll start buzzing and doing all the settings that you set.